guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Lincoln MKX guys, and if your front windshield wipers guys do not work, stay with us, we will show you guys which fuse to check. We have relays as well, so make sure you check out the channel. We'll have all those videos. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Lincoln MKX and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful, if it fixed your problem, and let's go ahead, start on it and show you where you can find the fuse for the front wipers now. So right here guys, when you open the hood of your Lincoln MKX, next to your car battery you have a fuse box. How you open it, this one, you need to press it in and then you need to lift it up. So check it out, press in, lift up, pull the cover out. Now, good news guys, on this side of the fuse box, okay, like that, if you leave it like that, you have the fuse numbers. You can see, but it doesn't tell you what each fuse is for. And when you hold it that way, the layout corresponds to what we have right here guys. So the fuse guys, okay, that we'll be looking at now for the windshield wipers guys, okay, it should be a 30 amp fuse guys, okay, and this is fuse number 58. Okay, and looking at the cover, 58, it's the second fuse right here. Okay, this fuse over there guys. How you remove and replace it? You grab it guys with pliers. You might crack the old one. When you grab it, at least the glass part right here sometimes will pop out, sometimes it won't, and pull it out guys. Okay, this is the fuse. I'll grab the new one quick. Okay, and usually guys, okay, you can check if the fuse is good or bad. Okay, inside. Okay, I'm trying to focus here guys, give me a second. Okay, you can check the element inside, and if it's burnt it will be missing a piece or it will look burnt, or you can test it with a voltmeter. We have the video on the channel how to test fuses. But this is guys the fuse for the front wiper, so we have to replace it. Later, do not forget guys to put the cover on. If you need to buy new replacement fuses, you can find the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Thank you for watching guys, and see you guys next time.